Let's go local. Did you know that 24.4% of all clicks go to the first result of local business search? Local SEO is a digital marketing strategy that aims to improve online visibility and search engine rankings for businesses in local search. Your business can target clients or customers within a specific geographic location by combining on-page optimization, directory listings, reviews, and other digital strategies. Local SEO allows businesses to increase their website traffic, conversion rate, and enhance their business growth, all online. One of the most crucial parts of local SEO is local citations, which are online mentions of your business's website. They normally include relevant information such as your phone number and address. Online citations can come from a variety of different sources, including directories, social media platforms, and sites made explicitly for reviews, blogs, and news articles. Why are they important? Well, they help businesses and brands to build trust, become an authoritative voice, and they support your overall SEO strategy. They can increase your visibility on search engine results pages. Let's tackle structured versus unstructured local citations. Structured citations follow a particular format and are typically found on websites such as local directories and websites specifically for reviews. Often they are called NAP citations as they normally include your name, address, and phone number. These citations help you improve your search engine rankings and even provide valuable backlinks to your website, which is a commonly known Google ranking factor. Examples of structured citations are Google Business Profiles, Yelp, and the Yellow Pages. Unstructured citations don't follow a typical format and can appear on various websites including blogs, news articles, and social media platforms. Think of a tag or a mention on Twitter and Facebook and Instagram. These citations are much more flexible, but they can still positively affect your search engine rankings. Unstructured citations come with the risk of incorrect information being published online, making it harder for potential customers to find you and get in touch. We'll be covering more on local citations soon on our channel, so be sure to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss an upload. We've put a handy link to our SEO services in the description, so if you're ready to surf the search engine wave and increase your business's online visibility, check out our services and get in touch today.